Hello children, what are you all doing? Playing? How are you all doing? I'm sure you're doing well and obeying your parents always. I should not get complaint that you are not listening to your parents, not watching the videos, not studying, not writing. I should not get such complaints. Have you all seen the previous lesson? Know your surroundings. Did you enjoy the lesson? Understood everything? I'm sure you have understood. Many exercises also I gave you for revision, for you to learn up everything, to understand everything, and so that you can read the lesson also. And now I'm here with another lesson. Plants. Do you know what are plants? Have you seen plants? All around you, when you go out, you are seeing so many plants. So today I'm going to show you something about plants, and before I take you to the screen, I want to show you something about plant. So let's see. What is this? This is a plant. No? What is this? A plant. Now you must know certain things about the plant. Parts of the plant. Starting from, this is the root. Can you see the roots, all of you? These are the roots. This is one big root and then other small roots coming out. Small roots coming. This is the stem. What it is? Stem. And these are the branches. Branches. Then you can see leaves. What are these? Leaves. Can you see? Then some more things you will see. This small little thing you can see. Small little thing. This is the bud. What it is? Bud. And these ones are flowers. What are these? Flowers. So this is a plant. All of you must remember, plants also give us fruits. So this is not a fruit plant, this is a flower plant. But you will see many things about the plants. I will take you around. I can't take you, no school now, so I would have taken you to the school garden and shown you many plants. But school is closed. So that's why what I am going to take you, where I am going to take you to? Outside my house. All around I will show you what all things are there. Followed? So let's go to the garden and enjoy. And then after that I will show you many things on the screen also for you to understand, which is there in your book about plants. So have you understood? What are these? Plants. Children, you must not pluck plants, you must not remove the plants from their roots. This is from my garden, from my flower pot. I have taken out just only to show you, and again I will plant it in the flower pot. So all of you, please don't pluck any plants because they are living beings like us. They also have life. If you are plucking the plants, it means you are killing the plant. Understood? So let's go out. So children, see these plants? Small plants, they are very small plants. Can you see? Very small plants in my flower pots they are. All these small plants are for show, to decorate our houses. Right around our house we put them. See? Many plants have flowers in them. And you see, this is a very weak plant. Can you see? It cannot stand on its own. The branches are hanging down. Can you see the branches hanging down? And it needs a support. What it needs? A support to stand up. This is how one stick is placed to give it support. See children, this is a shrub, smaller than the tree, has many branches, many leaves. Many of the shrubs give flowers also. You can see flower. Can you see the flower on top? So this is a shrub. This one also is a shrub. A shrub. They are smaller than the big trees, and you can see down grass. All these are grasses growing all around us. Then see right around us, you will see so many plants and trees growing. So many trees, so green everything is looking, so pleasant everything is looking, so nice you feel when you look at these trees, green trees. That's why we feel good. And what these trees are giving us? Oxygen. This is also a shrub here in front. This is also a shrub. It gives flowers. You see, good flowers, beautiful flowers. People pluck them, these flowers, and take for puja. Can you see? This is a shrub. And you can see the beautiful flowers here everywhere. Followed? Now you see children, this is a tree. You see? The tree, so tall it is, and this is the trunk of the tree. This is the trunk of the tree. Followed? So many trees right around. Can you see? All of you? So many trees. They make our surroundings green, and they give us fresh and pure air. Fresh and pure air we get from these trees. Can you see? This is also a tree. This is the trunk of the tree. The stem is known as trunk. What is this? Trunk of the tree. Such a tall tree. Can you see, children? Very tall tree this is. You see the tree. Trees are very useful to us. They give us oxygen, again I'm telling you repeatedly, and they purify the air, plus they give us many things. You have seen what all things we get from trees. See, children, these are also very small plants, for show they are. Can you see? Very small plants. In my flower pots, I have kept them right in front of the house, hanging on the railing. So I hope you have enjoyed my plants and plus trees right around my house. You have enjoyed, children, and now I will take you to the screen. So you will enjoy many things on the screen also. So let's go. Good morning, children. May your day be filled with love and laughter. You are very special. Welcome, kids, to lesson 11, plants. Key points in the lesson: big and small plants, very big plants, climbers and creepers, parts of a tree, leaves, things we get from plants, something to do. Enjoy the lesson. Children, have you all seen all the plants right around my house, outside, in the garden, my flower pots? All these, what you saw, what you saw are plants and trees. Plants grow all around us. I showed you all around where I went. I showed you all the plants and trees. They make the earth colorful. How the earth becomes colorful? Because of the greenery and all the flowers of different colors. So that's why the earth looks very colorful. See the different types of plants, beautiful ones, lovely ones. People are very fond of planting these in their houses, around the house, in the garden, in flower pots. Some plants are big while some are small. You see? You see, some plants are big while others are small. Big plant, then little smaller than this very big plant, and then very small plants. Very big plants are called trees. Now these are trees. They are very big. They have a very strong stem called trunk. This is the trunk, you see. This is a banyan tree, and you see these roots coming out from top. The monkeys jump on them, even children, they swing on these roots of the banyan tree which is hanging from top. Some plants have weak stems. They cannot stand on their own. They are called climbers and creepers. See, these plants, they cannot stand on their own. They need support. This is a support, a stick or any wall or something they need to climb up. So that's why they are called climbers. And there are some plants which grow on the ground only. They are spreading their full part on the ground. They cannot climb up. They are very weak. They are called creepers. So these are creepers. You can see watermelon and then pumpkin plants and all these are creepers. Some more plants, very beautiful ones. You must have seen around your houses also, around your house, in the garden. Everywhere you can see such beautiful plants, and plants give us pleasure. We feel happy when we see these colorful, beautiful plants. There are many types of plants like trees, I showed you, shrubs, climbers, herbs, very small plants, creepers, I showed you just now. And this is the life cycle of a plant. We sow the seed, then from the seed roots come out inside the ground. Then here this is the stem, and then the leaves come out, and then it grows big. Plants grow all around us. Just as we need air and water to live and grow, plants too need sunlight, water, soil and air to live and grow. So we need air and water to grow, no? Same way plants, they need many things. They need sunlight, they need air, they need water, they need soil and lots of love. If we take care of plants, they will grow very well. So you see, sun, soil, water, air. These are the things which plants need to grow. These are the parts of a tree. You can see from down, I will show you. I showed you the plant parts also just now. Roots. This is the trunk. Then this part is the branch. These are all branches. Then these are the fruits. All fruits. And all these green portions what you see, these are leaves. So children, have you understood the parts of a tree? Again, I am repeating: roots, trunk, branch, fruit, leaves. Parts of a plant. Now, to show you some more parts, see, these are the roots. This is the stem on which the plant is standing, that is the stem. Then it has many parts from here, like how we have got hands, legs and all, no? These are the parts of our body. Same way the plant also has parts, branch. Then you can see leaves. Then bud. First the bud comes out, then the flower and then fruit. It gives fruits, many fruits you must have seen we are using every day in our food, like different vegetables and the fruits that we eat like apples, bananas. These are also called fruits of the plants and trees. Then most of the plants have leaves. You can see different types of leaves over here. Some plants have big leaves and some have small leaves, very small leaves. You see, neem tree has very small leaves. The banana tree, the banana plant has a very big leaf. You see the big leaves it has. Then lotus also and people are smaller than the banana tree leaves. Now you can see a tree and what all things we get from a tree. You can see so many things the tree gives us. Different trees give us different things. We are going to see this, many things that the trees give us. Gives us perfume. Every day your mummy, daddy must be using perfume on their body just to smell nice. Then medicines, many medicines are made out of plants. Then it gives us wood, and from the wood, wooden furnitures we get, like chairs, tables, a bed, all these are made of wood. Then it gives us cotton, and from cotton clothes are made. Cloth is made, and then from cloth cotton is made, clothes are made. Then gives us many vegetables, gives us many fruits. The tea what we drink in the house, your mummy and daddy, they drink tea. This tea comes also from plants. The leaves grow and then it is plucked and then dried and made into tea leaves. Then we get rice, sugar, dals. Then coffee also, coffee plant. From coffee plant we get coffee seeds. Then it is crushed and then made into coffee and we drink coffee. Then wheat, we make chapatis out of wheat. So these are the things that we get from the plants and trees. So that's why their plants and trees are very useful for us, and we should not pluck plants and trees and never cut them. They give us oxygen also to breathe. We are breathing oxygen, taking in oxygen, taking out the carbon dioxide, and this is very useful for us. That's why we have to have plants all around us. Look at the picture given above and write the names of things that we get from plants. I have written all the names here: fruits, vegetables, cotton, tea, coffee, wood, perfume, medicines, wheat, rice, jute, sugar. You did do it in your book. Now something to do in your book, it is given there. You have to do these questions. Look at the given picture and label different parts of the tree. I have already labeled for you roots, trunk, branch, fruits, leaves. So you see and you do accordingly, which is the root and which is the trunk. All these things you see. Question number 2. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Very big plants are called climbers or trees? Trees. Climbers have a weak, strong stem. Weak. Neem tree has big, small leaves. Small. Mostly roots are under or above the ground. Under the ground they are growing. The roots, not above the ground. Under means just inside the ground. We get wood from creepers or trees. Can creeper give us wood? No. Creepers are very weak plants. So we get wood from trees. Question number 3. Unjumble the following letters with the help of given clues. These are the clues given for you and you have to unjumble this. This is in a jumbled way. You have to make it right and put it. We get them from plants, fruits. It has big leaves, banana. Birds make their nests on them, trees. They cannot stand on their own, creepers. It is the big and strong stem of the tree, trunk. The last question, write the names of 5 things that you get from plants. Already you have done previously also, and again it has been done for you. You can write down in your book: fruits, cotton, vegetables, tea, coffee. So children, I hope you have understood this lesson. This is the end of the lesson, and I'm sure you enjoyed it. You enjoyed going out in the garden, seeing everything outside, and many more things. You have learned that you must not cut the plants and trees, not pluck them, not harm them, because they are also living beings. So stay home, stay safe. If you are going to stay in the house always, not going out, nothing can happen to you. No coronavirus is going to affect you. Be safe at home. Followed? And take care of yourselves properly. Look after yourselves. If you look after yourself, you will look after your neighbors, you will look after your parents. Why? Because if you are safe, you are not having that infection, then nobody else will have it. So that's why don't bring it to your house by going out, touching things, and going close to people. Have a nice day. Enjoy life, children. You have to enjoy. You have to be happy. You have to play around. This is your time. These are the years. You will miss them when you grow up, like how we miss our childhood. So always be cheerful and happy. Don't be sad. Do all the work with pleasure. Don't cry and do the work, because if you cry, you won't be able to learn the things. Do reading properly, all of you. Learn spellings. And that's why I'm giving the exercises from in between the lessons, so that you read. When you read the lesson, then only you will be able to learn other things. Don't take help of your parents much in studies. Speak in English. In English conversation, you must improve. Keep on reading and reading and reading, and find which word is having what meaning, and then only you will be able to do well. So a big thank you to all of you. Please see the video, subscribe it, and put your likes and comments. Some of you are putting good morning madam, what are you doing madam, how are you madam, that you can ask me in the WhatsApp. But there you have to tell that what you have understood from the video, whether the video was good or nice, it gave you some knowledge or no. All such things you have to put in the comment in the YouTube. So I am sure this time I am going to get some comments which are very good and will encourage me, like how I keep encouraging you. You also have to encourage me, because I am also learning many things every day. So bye for now, till I meet you in the next lesson. Do all your exercises in the book, and whatever you have to do in the notebook, I will send you.